I'm at Sandals South Coast in Jamaica, and this is the Dutch Village. All the rooms in the Dutch Village have tubs on the balcony. They have club level, entry level, and butler suites in the Dutch Village. These are some of the butler suites with swim up rooms. All three villages at Sandals South Coast offer beachfront rooms. This is the pool, the Dutch Village. I'd say it's the quieter of the three pools. It has a hot tub. There's a pool bar.
Oh, okay. You have service damage. We got a
They do have cabanas for the pool you can rent. You can also rent beachfront cabanas. My favorite spots on the beach are under the tiki huts. The breeze is amazing. This is one of the locations you can get married. It's the walkout pool rooms. And then the fourth floor offers the best view in my opinion. This is the walkway to Latitudes, the overwater bar. It's a great place to catch the sunset, sit in a hammock over the water with a drink and a book, take a nap. In the evening, they have these fire pits. all the buildings do have elevators. This direction is the French Village, which is the entry-level rooms. And besides the Dutch Village, there's also the Italian Village, the Rendezvous, and the bungalows. And this is the front, the Italian Village. Or I'm sorry, Dutch Village. You have a basketball court, tennis courts, pickleball courts, workout center, aerobics room. There is also a departure lounge. So if you check out at 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. and have a later flight, you can use the departure lounge to take a shower before you head to the airport. And that's a tour of the Dutch Village. If you want to check out a room tour, check out my YouTube channel for a tour of one of the rooms in the Dutch Village.